Hello, hi, and welcome to SAP HR Security Training. This session is brought to you by Global Online Trainings. I'm here to give a brief overview on what exactly SAP HR Security Training is all about, prerequisites, why to learn this module, etc. Before moving to that, I just want to give quick overview on Global Online Trainings, who we are, what exactly we do. To give an overview, Global Online Trainings is a leading training service corporation specialization in providing online and corporate training to individuals and enterprises. Our high quality, competitive and effective training services makes us best in the field. Our professional team carries excellent instructional experience through many years and understanding the complexity of the technology and methods of training delivery. We provide the training with subject matter experts who has a good experience in their primary skills. Currently, we have more tutor in all the technologies for online and corporate training. We While we provide trainings for below technologies like SAP, Oracle, SAS, IBM tools, Microsoft application, middleware tools, web technologies and other technologies. Well, coming to the next slide, SAP HR Security Training Introduction. SAP HR Security Training Introduction at global online trainings provide knowledge on the central application of SAP to track and control all kinds of business process. It is able to provide visibility of all kinds of business process because of its genetic design. Although designed and subsequently developed over many years to monitor logistical process in the supply chain. And SAP HR security training is written by the best subject matter experts and the tutorial prepared by this expert industry allied to tutors are made with the latest industry updates. SAP HR training standard tools is to track and trace monitor the status of the process, measure compile with process plans automatically, uncover and report process. SAP HR security training classes are able for the individual as well as for corporate batches on demand. Call the help desk for more information for SAP HR security training and its details. Coming to the next slide, it's about the overview of SAP HR security training. Many submodules contained in SAP HR security training and integrated with each other and are all these modules. The following are some key modules. Organization management. The organization management is about the personal development, individual and SAP HR security training, event management and personal cost planning. Time management. In time management includes attendance, time recording, shift management, time schedule, etc. in SAP HR security. Personal administration. Personal administration includes personals and info types, organizational structures, integrated with time and payroll, etc. Next, coming to payroll. Payroll in SAP HR security deals with payroll group configuration, payroll types, gross pay, primary and secondary wages, bonus, etc. Then coming to recruitment. Recruitment includes hiring and maintaining HR manager, master data, employee, etc. in SAP HR training. Next, coming to the next slide, who is used to SAP HR training? SAP HR training is used by mill industries, high-tech industries, industry machinery and components, retail, logistical service providers, aerospace and defense, postal services, telecommunications, chemical mill industries, rail and tracking companies. In mill industries, the HR security training used as a fulfillment including production, delivery and billing. In high-tech, SAP HR security training includes trending and visibility of logistic execution. In industry machinery and components, it's used as sales order position in a distributed environment. In retailing, international sea transportation, including customer process, is used as an SAP HR security training. Automotive. In automotive, SAP HR security training uses written process. In chemical mill industry, railway car management. It's used as a railway car management. In rail and tracking companies, it is used as a conjugated with SAP TM. Next, coming to the next slide, it's about the prerequisites of SAP HR security training. In organization management, the prerequisites are used as in consuming organization management data inquiry for the SAP HR security. In personal administration, The prerequisites are used as areas in personnel for SAP HR training, in time management, organization management for SAP HR training, in payroll management organization for SAP HR security, in traveling management, personal administration for SAP HR security, in performance and appraisal, the company procedure is in appraisal. Next, coming to the syllabus. The syllabus which we covered in the SAP HR security training is SAP overview, structure and organizational management. In structure and organizational management, we can cover personal security and enterprise security, create maintain plan vision, objects, task description or departmental or staff, additional objective types, organization management info, and configuration job position, reporting relationships, cost center assignment. In chapter 3, recruitment, the process of recruitment, posting and advertisement, application management, master data maintenance, application activity, applicant action. Coming to the next slide, it's about the chapter for personal administration. In personal administration, there are features with default, action of dynamic, maintenance info type of PA, maintenance HR data manage master, maintenance personal action. In chapter 5, it's payroll payroll structure, maintenance of payroll info type, pay scale structure, maintenance of wages types and configuration, payroll in scheme modification, payroll process stage and explanation, creation and form edition of recruitment statements. Coming to the next slide, it's about the chapter 6, it's time management, work schedules, holiday. In work schedules, there are holiday calendar of maintenance, daily work schedule and break schedules, work schedules, features maintenance defaults. In time data recording and administration, they have generation and absence grants, attendance grants, overtime, etc. And time info, types maintenance. Again, coming to the next slide, there's a benefits of SAP HR security. In for SAP HR security, the benefits section allows you to use the benefits provided by an organization to its employee tools for consumes benefits. In for SAP HR security is integrated benefit management with the international payroll components to be benefits for SAP HR security for which is not integrated a contributable in an external payroll service. You must provide your own interface for the transfer of data or conjugation with non-SAP payroll software. Benefits play with for SAP HR security to keep the best possible employee in a company and important role in an employee retention. Coming coming to the next slide, there is a scope and opportunity of a career in SAP HR security. Once one scope of this field is consequently grow and certified candidates are participating phosphorus of working with reputed companies that have a global presence. Certification in SAP HR security is and candidate can enjoy several promising career opportunities. Immediate benefits includes a significant hike in the salary and better managemental position. One of the most popular opportunities lies in the consultancy field wherein expert in the HR is must. Again, next coming to the next slide, here is SAP HR training basics. SAP HR deals with private employees data, much of which might be a sensitive nature. However, in the case of HR, even the display of private data might lead to non-compliance with prevailing laws and regulations. In a lot of non-HR applications, security is more generated towards prevention of wrongful entry of data into the system. As a result, the HR security is typically more stringent than security for the other SAP model. Next, coming to the next slide, it's about the training summary. SAP HR training summary. The aim of the SAP HR security component is to business requirements in effective structure for SAP HR security according to enable companies to process employee related data. The SAP HR security model use of data grouped towards together a system called info type. You can enable for SAP HR security a reactive equivalent of save the employee data into types of type dependent. The info type appear which you can maintain info type through recordings and an entry screen for a user. SAP HR security info type can be in fast entry mode or processed individually. Next, coming to SAP HR training outline. The course SAP HR security training with the duration of 35 hours in the online virtual course or corporate. The timings according to one's flexibility, and the system access will be provided. And there is a regular batches, weekend batches, and fast track batches on demand. Training will be get the soft copy material in the form of PDF to Word. Session will be conducted through Weber, GoToMeeting, or Skype. And the participants should have the basic requirements like good internet speed and headset. To participant, what they want to do is well to enroll and register. To register, just type www.globalonlinetrainings.com in any of the web browser. We'll find the global online page. Here, here it is a global online page. Click on the option requested demo on the top of the menu bar. Next, after clicking the requested demo, and fill your details in the field and send. And if you want to leave a message, to if you want to leave a message to us by using the pop-up box at the bottom of the corner of the website, then send. And if you want more details about SAP HR security training, just log on to www.globalonlinetrainings.com/SAP HR security. If you want to drop any mails or if you want any inquiries through mails, just uh, email us info@globalonlinetrainings.com. If you want to contact us, just call 4060501418. Thank you. We are looking forward to meet you. Thank you.